I'm running late today. I was meant to be at the mechanics for 8 AM. I was running around 40 minutes late. I did give him a call. He said, no, we can't see you now till 11 AM. So I did do a video on when it broke down and I had like the intermittent problem. Oh, I don't even want to rev up. I believe it is injector 2 on the engine. However, what I'm going to do is drop the van off. I've got my trusty old Yamaha QT50 in the back, so we can take the bike out, check the local area out, and by around 12 o'clock midday, the van should be ready, and then we can go over what exactly was wrong with it. Oh, before we get a move on, let me just quickly show you what it's like out here this morning. I love that mist coming off the field. Let's have a look. I've also got to drop this main machine off for powder coating. Mate, I look knackered. Literally full of transport is there. Right, I just stopped at McDonald's because I needed a toilet. So now I've done that, it is a cracking sunny day. The van's dropped off. I'm going to go and find somewhere around this area, go and explore. So let's jump back on the bike and get a move on. It's my worst nightmare when I see the national speed limit sign. I've just pulled up to Buxton Park Hotel and I think it's only right we go and take the bike down there, see what's happening. Might even try and blag a free spa while I'm at it. What a nice area. I'll be honest, I ain't got a clue where I'm going. It's pretty peaceful and tranquil around there. There weren't really much happening there, so we've got to find somewhere else to go now. I fancy a coffee, at least. I might grab a coffee or something.
Yeah, what, to take away or sit here?
Sit here, yeah, on the nice road. It's a little bit wet out here, isn't
well,
it?
I'll tell you what, the other thing is give you a blanket.
Oh, right. Perfect.
Nice, actually, you can sit there.
And you get more bald head off as well.
Yeah, right, there you go, look at that. If I put the bag down.
Oh, look at that.
And then a nice, so you could, you know what you could do? You could wrap it round you. There you are. See? So you can sit there.
Yes.
All lovely, and wrap it around your knees. The best thing, if you like, is I can get you a little cafetiere and then I'll give you some warm or cold milk and then you can play. Would you like a latte?
Yes, please.
There you
A
are.
latte. Perfect, thank you. Check that out, vegetarian hash. What a day to enjoy it as well. That was absolutely delicious. I think it lasted me best part of 30 seconds. That food was top tier. I really enjoyed that. I'm not just saying it either, really good place this. So if you're ever passing Uckfield, go and call in to Oast Farm, Buxted. Not Uckfield, but it's in the same sort of area. So you get the gist. Right, next place that we're going to go to, because I don't think the van's going to be ready for another hour yet. So we've still got some time to burn. Found a little place to go and view, which is called Lakewood. So I'm going to go and check that out next. If we can get the QT, I'm sure we can. Don't ask me why I'm doing this, but I've got a few hours spare, so nothing like bringing your bike up to a lake in the middle of nowhere. I'm going to show you the view in a sec. So this is the lake, look at that. I'm not sure if my camera does it justice, but I tell you what, it looks very nice from here. So peaceful. And this is my reason why I like having smaller bikes like this Yamaha QT50, because I can literally pick it up and take it anywhere. It only weighs 37 kilograms, so it's absolutely perfect for like days like this when you want to come and take a walk up to the lake but don't want to leave your bike locked up outside somewhere. Yeah, but have a look at it round here. It's bloody lovely, mate. It's got like a perfect reflection of the tree there off the lake. That's mad. Right, that's enough nature and wildlife for me right now. I think we've got a few more minutes to spare. Let's see where else we can go with the bike.
You've done a great job of it, mate.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so as you can see, I'm back in the Caddy. I've got the bike now in the van, and I've picked the van up from the garage. Now, what they've told me is they've replaced the injector on cylinder 2 as per the RAC's findings. However, when they plugged their computer in today, obviously there was no fault showing because it's intermittent. They've replaced it. They said that they had to take the scuttle off. It was seized on. It was a little bit more work than usual. And he said it's still not 100% the van. He reckons there could be another injector which is also faulty, but because nothing's showing up, there's nothing we can really do. So it's really a waiting game. I'm expecting another one to probably go again soon. I mean, the good thing is I've got warranty cover. So today I had to pay like an extra £48. The warranty on the van covered the remainder, 500 odd quid. Apparently the parts are really expensive now on these because you can only get the injectors from Volkswagen. And also, it's a renowned problem with the Caddies, evidently. So now it's just going to be a waiting game, but at least that one's been fixed. Let's give it a quick start. It's not as bad. It's definitely not as bad as it was, in my opinion. But obviously, they've told me it's not 100%. So yeah, it's just going to be a waiting game, unfortunately. For those of you Caddy owners out there that have got a 1.6 TDI, you probably know what I'm going through with this van. Yeah, it is what it is. I ain't gonna stress. I would rather the injectors all fail within my 6-month warranty period, because then obviously the warranty will cover it. However, they will only cover a certain amount each time. So if 2 go at the same time, then I'm going to be paying a lot more money than I would if it's just 1, if that makes sense. So yeah, it is what it is. I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hopefully I don't have to go back to that garage anytime soon because I want my van to just work as it should. Bye for now. Oh, by the way, I've just decided the Yamaha QT50 is now going to live in the back of my Caddy because I'm expecting this to break down again at some point. So at least if it does, I can just leave the van and ride off.